So we are out here doing a little exploring on some back roads. So we're gonna see, it's been raining a ton. We're gonna see if this old bridge is flooded and whatnot. And yeah, it's the first time I'm taking this truck out here. I used to come out here all the time in the Taco and the F-150, but I've never taken this thing out here. But it's already filthy because it's been raining all week. So I figured, what the heck, I'm not gonna do any damage. Take it nice and chill, and it should be pretty fun. So obviously this thing's about to get filthy because of stance and mud, but hopefully the water's a little flooded. I mean, not super flooded because I'm not taking this truck through anything. I took the Taco to, if I have, I'll put a picture up here how deep it's gotten before with the Taco. So as you can see, it gets a little crazy flooded, and on this truck it would be like literally probably over the fender right there. It would literally be taller than that if it was like it was before, but I don't think it's raining that much. But I'm gonna throw the GoPro up and we're gonna go exploring, so let's check it out. Well, it's not over the bridge, but it definitely was. But it is pretty high still. Y'all leave a comment if you want me to come back here whenever it is over this bridge and film some stuff, because it's going to be pretty interesting. It gets a little sketchy. Hopefully this bridge doesn't fall, but it's been here for probably longer than I've been alive. So, pretty confident. Got the old strap to the tree. Gets washed out pretty bad, obviously, because literally I've been out here before where you couldn't even get here. It was way too deep. I mean, like, literally would be up to like up here, like insane high. My truck would not survive. Obviously wouldn't drive across the bridge, but it literally would just sink. Like, I've even been out here in my old gray Mustang before, obviously not when it was flooded, but I have been out here, and that was a slow trip. I mean, it floods all the way up here. We've got some pictures I'll put up right here of the Taco whenever it was flooded all the way back there, because the creek kind of reaches around back up there and snakes back around here. So pretty sweet though. Still pretty daggum high. I mean, just think about how much water's moving through here. Obviously got a good bit of debris building up. I guess that's why they got all these tethers or whatever you would call them up here. So that was literally the first time I ever even attempted to do a burnout in this thing. That was pretty fun. I'm not gonna do like, I just, you know, spun it over just a little bit. Didn't tear up anything, didn't do any damage, nothing like that. Because obviously I would not want to ever do that to that bridge, because this bridge is awesome and I like coming out here and whatnot. But I don't know, just kind of felt like doing it, and felt right. And it looked pretty cool. I'm betting, I haven't seen it yet, but I bet it looked pretty cool. It sounded pretty cool. It felt pretty cool. But yeah, so just a little representation, or we're just going to show you, I'm going to show you how bad it does flood around here. So I'm sure a lot of you local people that are watching this are fully familiar with this road, because it's kind of popular for, or it used to be when I was in high school, for people to come out here and just kind of go riding dirt roads and stuff. But so the bridge is all the way down there. So they've cleaned the road up a good bit since, I'll try to find the picture of the taco, and it wasn't even mine, it was Samuel's truck still, but we had it like right here, and it was like nose down, it was super deep and stuff. It was kind of cool. But as you see, the creek, when it floods, it comes all the way up here. This whole road will be underwater. Actually, it was probably right here where the truck was. But one time me and Noah came out here, and literally we couldn't even see the bridge. So let's just walk backwards until we get to where we were. We were probably about right here, because I remember you could just barely see the little weight limit sign. So this far was completely underwater by like a foot. And I probably pulled the Tacoma probably maybe down here where my truck's sitting now, and it was like literally, I don't know, it was already in the sketch zone. Like, it was going up pretty tall on my tires, and they were 35s. So obviously on the little Chevrolet they would be like up to the freaking bottom of the fender or something. I don't know, super deep. But yeah, when this floods, it fully floods. It's crazy. So I don't know, I guess I'm kind of rambling. I'm just kind of reminiscing out here. It's been like several years since I've really been out here and hung out. Used to come out here a pretty decent amount with my buddies and stuff, so it's just pretty cool. Ponder on life a little bit, back to the simpler days. But in all seriousness, it is pretty relaxing out here, as long as no one comes flying down this road and you have to abort because you're some random person out here filming your truck. So it gets a little awkward. But it's also a nice overcast day, so the camera picks up good, the truck looks good, all the white. This thing needs to get washed, but I love filming on an overcast day, because the truck, you don't have any of the problem with the white getting too white. Because if you saw on the video I did about Sunday, Showcase Sunday, the truck was like super bleached out because it was so bright. So yeah, I think I kind of hear a car coming, so I guess I'm gonna hop in the truck and get out of here. But I'm gonna try to put the camera up somewhere, probably on the back tire, kind of just cruise out of here, and that's gonna be the end of the video.